Hello all, we are here for one more lesson of this VariCAD 2016 training course, and the topic for this lesson it is addition of solid shape. So we have several groups, and I will divide these possibilities in 5 different groups. Okay, the first one is the addition of basic solids. I will make a box like you know already. Okay, I create this box, you've seen it already many times, and to edit the solids I need this function here, edit and translate solid elements. So edit, if I click on the basic solid, basically I get the dimensions again. I can choose click on the dimension, or in this kind of arrow just say the OK, and the solid it's rebuilt. Okay, this is the first possibility. Now I have the possibility also to edit the shape of one solid done not from a basic solid but from a shape of a 2D profile or from the sketch mode. Let me open this drawing. Let me use, for example, this blue solid. Go to the same function, and I'm showing now the second group that is called the addition of solid element shape. So I click on a solid, it recognizes the profile that was the base for the solid. So I can click it, confirm, and I get this sketch mode that you already know. And now I'm allowed to change the shape that was the origin of the solid. So for example, let me make a fillet. Just do the OK, confirm everything. OK, you see the difference, and rebuild it. And you see I get a different shape. Okay, still inside this the same command and on the same solid, I can do a different type of addition that I call as changing the location of an element inside a solid. I can, instead of selecting the profile, if I choose these transform elements, I can choose one single element, for example the hole, and now I can change it with this small. If you see the hole, you see I'm moving the hole. Just say confirm, see a little closer, and rebuild the solid. So also this possibility to move one element inside a solid. Open again a new drawing, and going back to the basic solid, okay, again the cube, I will make now a couple of fillets all around and on the base. For example, these ones, and just 10, no need to make it bigger. And I will make a solid that it was not shown yet in these video lessons, that is called a shell. We will have one lesson only to see this kind of solid. So I made a shell, which is in fact a thin wall solid. So what can I do with this? The same function, edit, and I can in one hand transform and change the place of this, but I can also, with a function, I can change the dimensions. You see, I will not rebuild the solid. Or I can, for example, edit the radius. Okay, for example, sorry, it's the same, let me make it a little bigger, rebuild it. Or even change the thickness of the solid. It was 2 millimeters, for example, I will say 3 millimeters. You see a little inside, rebuild the solid, and okay, there is also this possibility. There are more options I will show you on the specific lesson we will have for the shells. Let me create now a new drawing also to show you the last possibility, which is the addition of pipes or wires, which are very similar entities. It's another one that we need to see in one of the lessons still remaining. So basically, pipes or wires, let me make a pipe. These are the conditions. And make it okay. Just say it. Start again. Sorry, made a mistake. So, okay. Say it now. So, angle and do this. I think it is enough. So basically this is a pipe with some different with a 3D path. Okay, so again, edit. I can also location, okay, the length. I can say, for example, 150, and it will be rebuilt according to this. I can change, and this was a length of a partial element. I can change, for example, the radius of the elbow or the angle, for example, instead of 45, 30, and okay, it was different. Or as I told you, instead of 50, just say 30 on the radius, okay, and it was smaller. So I can change a lot of things in here, and I can change also the location as the other solids, okay, or even after build the characteristics of the pipe. For example, just say 20 in the outer diameter, you see, and it was rebuilt. So these are all the possibilities to make the addition of different kinds of solids. There are these special objects that we are going to see on the remaining lessons, and there are a couple more functions inside those lessons that I will show you specifically in each video.